for another video. So, it's been a while mula nung huli nating upload. Medyo natagalan yung pag-upload natin ng ating mga video. Medyo na busy tayo sa ating trabaho at sa ating munting pet shop. So, kung kayo ay bago sa channel natin, mga ninja, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell na rin para updated kayo sa mga future pa na vlog, tutorials and other na kung ano-ano na gagawin natin sa future para mabilis niyo makikita pag nag-upload tayo. Now, for our tutorial for today, we will be creating another aquarium, 10 by 10 by 10 inches na cube tank. Simple lang ulit, yung mga materials na gagamitin natin is readily available sa market. Makukuha nyo naman siya ng hindi ganong kamahalan. So, tuturuan ko lang kayo ng simpleng aquascape ulit ngayon. So, without further ado, let's go jump straight to our tutorial. Alright guys, so this is our 10 by 10 inches cube tank. So to begin with our aquascaping, we will be putting in our hang-on back filter. So we have a reference on how are we going to put in our hardscape. So we will be putting it here, there, and then, so we wanted a simple aquascape. It's more of a nature aquascaping. So we will be putting some I will be using this bag of pumice stone. So this will be used to elevate our aquascaping, our structure. So we will not be using a lot more soil. That's why I am putting it in here. There. For our tutorial, I will be using a mix aqua soil of Aquarium Neo and TCFM Eco Soil. So you will see already that it's already been elevated at the back. So we will not be using a lot more aqua soil. There it is. A little bit more. There. So let's just put in our eco soil. So you see it's already elevated. Next we will be putting our hardscape. So we will now be putting our black lava rock. We'll be putting it here. And other rocks. So we will be putting in also other rocks. So that's it. Another one on this side. So that's our hardscape. So what we need is we will be fixing it with our aquascaping glue. Alright, Ninja Squad, we're almost done with our hardscape. Except for those who are in front, we'll be fixing it. And we will be adding some stones at the front to add more details in our scape. So let's go, let's complete this one. Covering up like we always do on our scape. We cover up our white, the tissue paper, so it will not be visible. And then we will glue it again. Alright guys, we are done with our hardscape. We have already fixed it. And we will be adding some rocks in front. So to make it more looking natural. Alright guys, we're almost done with our hardscape. So we will just, next thing we will do is we will be covering this, most of this will be covered up with moss, and we will be putting some anubias and some busipalandras as our plants for this aquascape. So let's go, let's put in some moss on this tank. Alright Ninja Squad, we are done with our hardscape. So what we will do now is we will be putting in our aquatic plants. So these are the plants that I will be putting in. And of course later on we will add some moss. So I have here some busipalandra and Anubias praytoy. It is a local Anubias here in the Philippines. So let's go, let's put it in the tank. Alright guys, so we are done. The next time you will be seeing this tank. It's already filled with water. There it is, Ninja Squad. You're already done with our 10 by 10 cube tank. So it's a nature aquascape. As you can see, I already put in some danyos here. So the water that I use is already cycled. That's why I already put in my fishes. So the water is not yet clear, but in the coming days it will be more clearer and it will be more crystal clear in the coming days. So I do hope that you like the video. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell below so you will be updated once we uploaded another video. And that's it for now guys. Stay safe. See you all soon again. Bye.